How to connect to Wi-Fi on Redmi Note 7. Hi everyone. In this quick video, I will show you exactly how to connect Wi-Fi on your Redmi Note 7. No tech skills needed. Just follow along. First, swipe down from the very top of your screen. You will now see icons like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data and more. Now, just tap on the Wi-Fi icon. If it's gray, it means Wi-Fi is off. Tap it once to turn it on. It will turn blue. Next, long press that Wi-Fi icon to open the full Wi-Fi menu. Pick your Wi-Fi name from the list. Tap it, enter the password and hit connect. Boom, you are online. Pro tip, once connected, your Redmi will auto-connect next time you are nearby. And that's it, you are now connected to Wi-Fi on your Redmi Note 7. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.